Watch how Spectur's solar security cameras stop crime and protect your bottom line. We installed 6 cameras on one large acre site, targeting all points of access. It would be very difficult and very expensive to protect this site using only guards. A single static guard costs $500 for a night. Spectur's 6 cameras cost $84 per day. See how effective the Spectur camera is on a real crime.
Warning, warning. Live images of you are being viewed by our security centre. A patrol has been dispatched. Leave the premises immediately.
Our systems issue a spoken warning telling intruders that they're being filmed and that police and patrols are on their way. You can see how quickly the intruders exit the scene once this is played. We stopped this crime rather than just filming it. Your Spectur system is quick and easy to install. A 2-part wind-up pole is concreted into place. Then the weatherproof Spectur camera is attached. Our powerful solar panels ensure that you won't require any external power sources, no costly trenching dug or cabling installed. Your Spectur system is up and running, ready to protect your property. Spectur's advanced artificial intelligence technology prevents false alarms. Using your desktop login, you have complete control over your Spectur system. Refining your motion detection settings is simple using our pixel-style interface. You can control each quadrant of your monitored area with precision, preventing false alarms, including those caused by changing environmental factors such as vegetation and wind. Spectur allows you to stay in control from anywhere, anytime. All of your cameras can be controlled on a single login. Control your alarm settings, CCTV, and monitor your sites in real time. Alarm activations and alerts are delivered immediately to your home screen, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Spectur also offers professional monitoring of our camera systems, routing alarms through a monitoring station who intercept alerts and verify them on your behalf. And that's not all. The Spectur system offers a multitude of features. In addition to the superior crime prevention features, you also get full daytime recording for site management and occupational health and safety. CCTV offers the ability to live view the system at any time to check what's happening remotely. Our full Timelapse system allows you to capture timed images of your site, seeing your project from beginning to end. Protect your site with Australia's #1 solar security camera system and stop crime before it happens.